The traffic is what killed us.
Pit stop on our way to King's Dominion. Took exactly 4 hours to get here. Funland of Fredericksburg. All right. Outside rides. Cool. And a mini golf course. We're here for one thing, and one thing only. Two things. Bathroom, the one thing, and then back on the road. All right, Funland game card. Let's go. All right, let's do this. Yeah, buddy. That was weird.
That was not good. Not a good start.
Whee! We're the only ones on it. Whee!
That ain't fun yet.
Yeah.
I shouldn't count a roller coaster at all.
Whee! We're the only ones on this ride. Whee! Cool little place though.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, we're spinning. We're spinning.
There we
That
go.
was fun.
Yeah.
I enjoy these rides actually. SBF spinner.
Now that I'm a little dizzy for no reason at all.
All right, that was credit 366.
Got it. In the books,
Let's
right?
go head to King's Dominion now. Well, first the bar, then King's Dominion for tomorrow. Let's go. All right, made it to the park. Park Hotel. Tomorrow's gonna be awesome.